Approximately 41,000 years ago, Earth's magnetic field briefly reversed during what is known as the last jump event. During this time, Earth's magnetic field weakened significantly, dropping to a minimum of 5% of its current strength, which allowed more cosmic rays to reach Earth's atmosphere. Scientists used data from our swarm mission, along with other sources, to create a sound visualization of the last jump event. They mapped the movement of Earth's magnetic field lines during the event and created a stereo sound version, which is what you can hear in the video. The soundscape was made using recordings of natural noises like wood creaking and rocks falling, blending them into familiar and strange, almost alien-like sounds. The process of transforming the sounds with data is similar to composing music from a score. Data from our swarm constellation are being used to better understand how Earth's magnetic field is generated. The satellites measure magnetic signals not only from the core, but also from the mantle, crust, oceans, and up to the ionosphere and magnetosphere. These data are crucial for studying phenomena such as geomagnetic reversals.